I'm Zach with Zach's Contraptions, and I have something incredibly special here. In fact, I've never even seen it. This is my book. It's a book that I worked on for, I think, literally 3.5 years. We went through 4 different iterations, and it is supposed to be the ultimate guide to building Rube Goldberg machines. 25 machines that you can build at home using stuff that you have right at home yourself. It took a lot of planning, it took a lot of work, and boy, I'm excited. I've literally not opened this. The box is literally sealed shut. So really excited to see how it turned out. This has been a long time in the works. This is incredible. This is my first book that I've ever made. First, besides a Rube Goldberg machine, first anything else that I've made. So I am very excited to see it. I know the other people on the book, Jennifer George and Ed Steckley, the other author, as well as illustrator, they've gotten their copies before me, and they've told me wonderful things. All right, here we go. It's upside down, great start. Oh my God. Oh, it's like a Guinness World Record book. Oh, it's bigger than I thought too. Take that for what you will. That's amazing. There's my name and everything on it. Oh, this is beautiful. We went back and forth on the colors quite a number of times, but wow, I'm shaking a little bit because it's kind of surreal that all of that work, all of that effort. This is incredible. I'm a little speechless. I'm supposed to be recording a reaction video when we look at it. Just these are different machines that I built around my house. We give step-by-step instructions as to how to build them. The very first one, put flowers in a vase. So on one page, we have just the pure machine, no letters, no text, anything like that, just so people can see how it's supposed to be set up. The next page is the materials, the simple machines, the energy transfers, and the tools that you need, which to build anything in this book, you only need 6 different tools. And we're talking tape, scissors, string, surge protector, zip ties, and a hot glue gun. Those are the 6 things. It's been a while since we finished writing it and before it actually came out. So then from here, we have the actual machine with the step-by-step. So turning it on causes the balloon to fill, which then ultimately causes the paper towels that are laid across to get pushed down, pulls the flowers, and drops them into the vase below. And here's a quick video of that machine. Yeah, and I mean, just step by step, how to build it, how to run it, and even building in test notes, because this really is supposed to be a STEM manual, a STEM guide that students can practice with. They can figure out how to build Rube Goldberg machines with this. And, there's a lot of trial and error and failure, but wow, 3.5 years to get this out. It is an amazing book. I'm still stunned. I really am. The artwork by Ed Steckley is just incredible. The fact that this was made in collaboration with Rube Goldberg's own granddaughter just adds emphasis to everything. I'm still shaking. This is, there was a lot of work and passion behind it. Again, it's meant to be the actual guide to everything Rube Goldberg. My tips and tricks. Ed, of course, made some lovely caricatures of each of us. And even if you don't have the things that are in the book, what I did was I made material substitutions, things that could replace anything in the machines. Absolutely incredible book. This is available on Amazon. It's available at Barnes & Noble, anywhere books are sold. We did an incredibly large first print because we knew it was gonna be a great book, but now that it's actually in my hands, this is incredible. I mean, it's gonna pop on any shelf, and I think this is gonna draw in any kid and hopefully maybe inspire the next generation of Rube Goldberg builders. Yeah, Rube Goldberg's Big Book of Building. That comes out on November 12th. It's probably out already. I'm filming this in October because I get the advanced copies. I have a few copies, in fact. But yeah, I hope everyone enjoys it. Please leave a like or comment in the comment section below if you want a copy of this. And if you do buy a copy of it, let me know your thoughts, because I don't want to say it's my life's work, but it is mostly my life's work condensed down into a 210-page manuscript. So with it, Rube Goldberg's Big Book of Building by Zach's Contraptions.